One day, sabi ko sa kanya, you're going to be a mother. Ano ang gagayahin mo? Anong hindi mo gagayahin sa'yo? Ang unang namutawi sa kanyang bibig ay not so much doon sa hindi ko gagayahin. But gusto kong magayahin yung kanyang pagiging nurturing at marami pang iba na kanyang sinabi. Concept niya talaga na ang pagiging ina ay ang mama ko. Ang takeaway ko ay whether deliberate or not, mothers and daughters, mothers and sons shape each other's lives. Meron at meron talaga. Ito yung napakaklarong example ng almost fierce ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa. I will defend my mother will defend me without having to be, kasi si nanay, si mama, I will protect my daughter. Yung timpla, I think they're slowly discovering also, she's 19, what is best for them. Ang takeaway ko is do not be afraid to embrace that you are work in progress. And that's where Jillian and her mom are. And she embraces that.